Hi, my name's Tammy Pritchard, and my home search, well, it was frustrating to say the least. Very, very stressful. We spent 3 months looking for an existing home, and as we were looking for the existing home, we were nights, weekends, every weekend we were out and about, searching for homes. There were 3 of us that were intensely looking, and there were probably 16 different homes that I bid on, and just very frustrating to say the least. I ended up choosing Allen Edwin Homes because on my journey searching for an existing home, my daughter had owned an Allen Edwin home and I loved them, but I didn't realize it was in my price range. And as I was searching for homes, I found that, yeah, it was in my price range and I could afford a brand new home and pick out everything I wanted in the home and not have to worry about a roof in a couple years or a furnace in a couple years. So it was a no-brainer. When I looked for the Allen Edwin Homes, I was able to build a home right from scratch. And that was so fun for me. I had remodeled a couple homes right down to the 2x4s. But this one I got to build. I got to go up to Grand Rapids and go through and pick out everything. It was exciting and wonderful. My floor plan is the Integrity 1750, and I built in the Lake Pines community. The favorite part about my new home is, I could say everything, but mostly the favorite part about my new home is the peace of mind it gives me to be a homeowner again. I rented for 9 years, didn't think I was gonna make the journey to be a homeowner again, but Allen Edwin made it possible for me, and the peace of mind it gives me is worth gold. Favorite part about my new community is the people. They're just amazing. I happen to live on the first house as you go in, so I'm right by the bus stop, so I get to visit with all the neighbors at the bus stop, and it's just a really fun community. What I love most about my experience with Allen Edwin was the people. They were so gracious to me and walked me through every step of the way. Tom Valecco was just fabulous. Lisa was my realtor, and her and Tom are an amazing team. They worked together to help me through every step of the way. Joe was my general, and they just reached out to every question, every need that I had. They never made me feel pressured or stupid or anything like that. It was just an amazing experience. I was able to drive through the neighborhood 3-4 times a week and watch my house be built. It was fabulous. The thing that made Allen Edwin the best solution for me was I was looking at other units. I was looking at rental units. I wanted to rent a home, and the price ranges were so high. I looked at used homes and found out that I could build a brand new Allen Edwin home for the same price of the homes that I was looking for that were used and needed furnaces or roofs or something like that. So for Allen Edwin, it was an easy choice. I would definitely recommend Allen Edwin to anyone that's looking to build or buy a home at this time, because they're fabulous homes. You can build a brand new home and live in a wonderful community. My daughters owned one and I own one, and we've just been very, very happy with Allen Edwin Homes.